Welcome to Six Figure Universe. Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back to the Six Figure Universe channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into an amazing opportunity to transform your life with our $900 Business Builder program. This program takes you from zero knowledge to building a successful digital business step by step. Plus, you'll learn how to resell this program and earn 100% commissions. Let's get started on your journey to six figures. What is the $900 Business Builder program? So, what exactly is the $900 Business Builder program? This comprehensive program is designed to guide you through every aspect of creating a profitable digital business. Here's what you can expect: step-by-step guidance. From setting up your business foundation to scaling for growth, we've got you covered. 100% resell rights. Earn 100% commissions by reselling the program to others. It's not a pyramid scheme. You keep all the profits from your sales. Expert support. Access to our community of experts and people who have gained success with this business model and made 4 to 7 figures, who will help you every step of the way if you find yourself needing more guidance, including me. Marketing strategies. Learn proven marketing techniques to attract and convert customers. How to get started? Ready to get started? Follow these simple steps. Join the mailing list. Sign up for our Six-Figure Universe Legacy Builder mailing list to receive exclusive tips, updates, and support. Sign up, purchase the program, invest in yourself by purchasing the $900 Business Builder program. It's a small price to pay for a life-changing opportunity. Purchase now, follow the steps. Dive into the program materials and follow the step-by-step instructions. Don't hesitate to reach out to me and our supporting community if you have any questions after joining this powerful business building program. Start reselling. Use the marketing strategies you'll learn to start reselling the program and earning 100% commissions. You can earn up to 4 different streams of income just with this one program, not including when you become more fluent and begin making your own digital products and advancing your portfolio of digital mastery. Your journey to six figures. Let's talk about your journey to six figures. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom. Here's a roadmap to help you visualize your success. Foundation: set up your business, build a strong foundation, and start learning the basics. Growth: implement marketing strategies to attract your first customers and generate sales. Scaling: once you have a steady income, focus on scaling your business. Automate processes, expand your reach, and increase your profits. Mastery: become an expert in your niche, continue learning, and explore new opportunities for growth. Like, subscribe, share, and sign up at the link in the About bio below this video, or click the pop-up if you are seeing this on social media. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might be looking for a way out of working day after day for little to no pay. Let's build a legacy together with the Six-Figure Universe Legacy Builder program. Join us today and start your journey to six figures. I am so glad you watched to the end. Again, I am James, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to Six-Figure Universe.